boats. Over here, same idea, but they're coming from Woods Harbor, Yarmouth, all directions. Anyways, well, that's what's up this morning. I've got a different person aboard. Oh, I kind of forgot what his name was already. Steve, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll find out on that. I got my GoPro and I'm going to take some footage because I'm back in action. I've got a ton of footage to edit from the track.